Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do your slime dares which you gave me. And today's video like target is 250 likes. Let's see that we'll achieve this target or not. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So our first dare is by Johnny Cute Idea. So he or she says that add milk in our slime, add nail polish remover, add leaves. So I will go with the third one because I think that if we do the third one then our slime looks beautiful. So let's do it. So here we have our slime and here we have our leaves. So I think that if we add some flowers also in it then our slime looks so beautiful. So I just grabbed some flowers also. Now let's just mix them up all together and after that we'll see how our slime looks like. So you can see that our slime looks so beautiful. And if you also want to do some experiment with your slime, then I will highly recommend you to do this because you can see that those small little flowers are looking so cute and our slime looks so amazing. So this dare is really so cool. So I'm going to give this dare a 10 on 10. So our next dare is by Pinku Balyan. So he or she says that add half small glass water in your slime and play with it. So here we have our slime and now let's add some water in it. So I think that this much water is enough. Now let's just mix it well and after that we'll see what happens. So you can see that it is sticking with my hands and it is so slippery also. It is so watery and it is obvious because we add so much water in it. But now also you can see that it is slime because it works like slime. You can see that. So I am going to give this dare 7 out of 10. Why 7? Because now our slime is no more with us. I'm just joking, don't take it seriously, okay? So our next dare is by Preeti's Beautiful World. So she says that add soil to your slime. Okay, let's do it. So here we have our slime and now let's just add some soil in it and after that we'll mix it. So now our slime looks something like this and it looks so gross. I think that I choose wrong color slime because now it looks like algae. है ना? So I'm going to give this dare 4 out of 10. Why 4? Because you can see that this dare is of next level and our slime looks so gross. And I'm really touching it because I really want to feel how this slime feels like. And this slime just feels like algae. Yeah, just like algae. Now let's see what is our last dare. So our last dare is by Doll's World Star. So she says that I have 2 dares, you can choose any one. Okay, so our first dare is that take your slime and mix your nail paint in it. And her second dare is that take your slime and mix your face cream in it. So I will go with the first one because I really don't want to waste any kind of cream. So you all know that I don't like nail paints and I don't even have big nails. So I have to buy this cheap nail paint and this nail paint is really so cheap. So yeah, let's just add it in our slime and after that we'll see what happens. And yeah, I have one more reason that why I have to buy this nail paint and that reason is that my mom will never give me her nail paints because she thinks that I will destroy everything. Literally everything. So now our slime looks something like this and it looks so cool, but you can see that now nail paint is on all over my hands and because of that I will give this dare a 5 out of 10. Otherwise I will give it a 10 on 10. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_let's be. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.